The Big Five Show in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. The Big Five Show is the largest trade exhibition in the Middle East for construction products and materials. The Big Five in Dubai has been home to the largest gathering of construction professionals in the Middle East. With exhibitors showcasing thousands of certified and innovative products from across the globe, free CPD-certified workshops on offer, and live product demonstrations, there is enough information for professionals from any discipline of the construction industry in the business services industry.
Welcome to ILikeEvents TV, your gateway to the world's top exhibitions and trade shows. Let's explore today's event.
With a history spanning 3 decades, the Big Five regularly draws more than 3,000 exhibitors from over 65 countries and attracts over 80,000 industry professionals. With over 75 free seminars focusing on the latest technology and innovations, the Big Five is an annual event that is not to be missed. The Big Five is the region's most important event for heavy construction machinery, plant equipment, and commercial and construction vehicles. For those looking to source new and used plant machinery, vehicles, and related products, the Big Five is an essential business event. With over 3,000 exhibitors, this year's show will feature products ranging from tower cranes to transmission engineering and fluid technologies. Featuring national pavilions from a host of countries, including Germany, Italy, France, China, and Austria, the Big Five will offer buyers access to the latest products from across the world. The Big Five Show is an event, and I like events.
Want to join this event? Check the link in the description for tickets, hotels, and booth services. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to stay updated with global events.